Hello traders, Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. Today November 24, 9:15 am, market open. It's a positive start. Current situation, previous day selling momentum is following. Once the trend change, you will receive a green color candle. This chart will automatically analyze the candle movement. Whenever the trend got changed, you will receive signal as new candle color. After 2-3 minutes, market finally able to bring out the buy call. This chart opened a green color candle, buy at 42,793, that is opening as an entry point, and above green color line or target line, below red color line is the stop loss line. So whenever trend changes, you will receive signal like this in live market automatically. Today a buy call generated in 2-3 minutes of the market open, and the first target range is more than 108 point, that is 42,900 range. Market also trading in very flat range, slow momentum, low volatile. Due to low volatile, low movement, intraday traders are not getting much profit from nowadays market. During this market also, the calls are generating in our chart. Let's wait and see how this call work out in live market. After buy call, first 4 minutes, as you can see, market was very flat momentum and it traded at entry point range only. After fifth candle, market started to rise in the bullish momentum and it went up all the way up to the first target range. After 20 minutes of the buy call generated, it can able to break out the first target and given the profit of 109 points. Today is on month end expiry day, so we are watching month end expiry chart at the money option chart, 42,700 call option chart. In this option chart, up to 9:25 there was no buy call generated. After 9:25 only the buying momentum has begun in option chart, and at 174 the buy call came at and it moved all the way up to 240 range. You can directly watch the option chart and place the calls also, or you can directly watch the future chart and place order in your option chart. Whenever a buy call or sell call came, you can buy the options at your affordable premium, and whenever it reaches the target one, you can close it also. If you want this chart, if you want to subscribe for this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.